Hey guys, locally lost lapidary. Today we're gonna cab out some Rainforest Jasper. This is a dope little slab of Rainforest Jasper. Just a lot going on with it. It's freaking awesome. Alright, let me cut a chunk of it out and I'll meet you at the cabber. Alright guys, got the Rainforest Jasper on there. Looking nice. I kind of got an idea. I think I'm going to do like a half cab style and leave this all broken like. And I think it'll make like an awesome design when electroformed. So just cab out this whole side and just stop right here and leave that just how it is. I think it's going to look nice. Let's see. Grind it out with the 80. Alright, here we are. Got it shaped out. Nice thin, little dome. Exactly how I want it. Still raw right here on the sides. This is gonna look very unique. Half cab. Very thin piece though. It was thin to start out with though. Managed to get that dome on it though. Alright, let's get this thing popping with some 180. Alright, done with the 180. Now you can see that shape happening. That low dome. I do see a crack though. It's kind of scary. But hopefully we stay together because this is one beautiful piece. Alright, on to the 300. Done with the 300. It's really starting to come out exactly how I wanted it to be. Dude, look at all those patterns in that color play. Sick. It's gonna look so cool when I electroform it. Just that big chunk just covered in copper. Alright, on to the polishing pads, starting with the 220. Alright, done with the 220 here. Looking great. Just praying that it stays together. Man, it's beautiful. I love that raw edge. It's real jungle-like, like rainforest-like. Alright, on to the 325. Alright, we are done with the 325. And it is coming alive. Dude, Rainforest Jasper is awesome. I bet you it's really easy to get and very affordable too. It's gorgeous. I'm just scared of that crack right there. I'm so scared of that crack. It looks like some dude just looking at you. See him? It's like, look. Onto the 600. All right, done with the 600 here. Check out that beauty. Pretty contrasting, huh? And it's gonna stay together. Man, this is a nice one. All right, on to the 1200. Done with the 1200. Nice polish. Had a little chipping right here. It's getting a little thin, but that's about it. Now it's time for the cerium oxide. I love that little window right there. It's pretty cool. All right, cerium oxide. All right, guys, and here we are. The Rainforest Jasper. Came out great. Kept that jagged edge. It's gonna look awesome when I electroform on it. It's gonna have a lot of texture. I love this little eye. See that? That eye is amazing. Just a great little piece. There goes another eye. Freaking cool. Real thin on this side. See the curvature? Look at that. Definitely going to get some more of this material. This was a lot of fun. Love you guys. This was Locally Lost Lapidary. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you folks on the next one. Adios.